I'm hungry. I like karaage. Lots of karaage. スタ丼行きましょう。I'm back with a karaage. Before we start, let me introduce myself. Hello everyone, thank you for watching my video. Both my parents are from Philippines, but I was raised in Japan with Japanese citizenship. After working in the professional services industry, I'm now quite focused in my project. I talk about Japan, Philippines, quite focused in Japanese food right now, and would like to help everyone's travels, also keep a healthy lifestyle. I do it both in English and Japanese, so let's do the Japanese version. 皆様ご視聴いただきありがとうございます。日本、フィリピン、そしてヘルシーなライフスタイルについて発信しております。両親フィリピンなんですが、日本で育ちました。日本国籍でして、コンサルだったり金融で働いた後に、今こちらのプロジェクトで日本、フィリピンを中心に、今は食事中心に発信しております。Hope you like it. Today, I really wanted to get some karaage, Japanese deep fried chicken. This is it.Got a very big one. 超特盛りを買ってきました。スタ丼というところで。I went to a place called SUTADON, Stamina Donburi, Stamina rice bowl, and got the big pieces. So let's make a thumbnail. There's the rice bowl and the rice.So I think that's good enough. I went to a place, it's a fast food restaurant that serves big servings called SUTADON and has stamina donburis like beef bowls plus also karages. まあスタ丼って言ってね、まあいろいろね、デカ盛りを販売しているところでして美味しいですよね。スタ丼だったり唐揚げなど揚げ物などいっぱい売ってます。So today I got the one with 12 pieces. I got ponzu together. Ponzu.Lemon and vinegar kind of taste, very nice flavor. Mayonnaise. So this is it. I've got lots of pieces. Yep, 12 pieces. Let's go. The green vegetable inside. So, and also rice. Itadakimasu. So good. It's so juicy, tender. すごいジューシーで柔らかい。美味しい。Very good. Does you see the rice?漬物もあるんですね。So the pickle. So good. You can try the mayonnaise. And you also have the cabbage. キャベツの千切りもありますね。美味しいですよ。So I'm gonna open mayonnaise. Let's try popping it. I really love mayonnaise with karaage. It really makes it very mild taste. まろやかなね、味になるから。Spicy. So it's very tasty. The vegetable is also very good. I should also try the ponzu. Ponzu mo ikimasu ka? It gives it a lemony taste. Let's see how it tastes. Yeah, it's like lemon and vinegar together. It's really good. うまいね。ポン酢かけることによって、ポン酢ですよね。なんかすごいさっぱり。唐揚げにさっぱりって感じですごい美味しい。I have 12 karages, so I should have a lot. Spicy. And I also put ponzu. Let's see how it tastes. Yeah, it's good. Spicy ポン酢唐揚げ。唐揚げにポン酢と一味をかけたんですけど、辛い、さっぱり、全部ありますね。美味しい。I remember back in the days when I was consulting after working late nights. I remember ordering karages, big packs, this 12 pieces. I know I've been eating a lot. It was really good. 自分がね、今ね思い出したのが、自分がコンサル時代で夜中まで働いた後にスタ丼の唐揚げを I think eating karage is stress relieving for me. 唐揚げ食べるとね、なんか結構ストレス解消になるんですよね。Well, I know it's gonna make you fat, big, but have to work out. 太る原因になるんですけど、ワークアウトすればね、その後の食事制限とかでやっとけば大丈夫ですから。This is all. I'm gonna put it on my rice. I put everything on my rice. I still have this much. めっちゃうまいわ。I think the karage has a little bit of garlic taste. 唐揚げちょっとね、ほんのりとね、なんかニンニクの味がするんじゃないかなって思ってね。Very tender. すごい柔らかい。もも肉じゃないですかね。I think it's chicken thigh that they're using. It's really good. うまいよ。幸せ。I like to put more of the ponzu. And more of the spice. If you want to eat affordable karage and lots of affordable karage, SUTADON is definitely a place to go. コスパよく大盛りで唐揚げが食べたかったら絶対にSUTADON行くべきです。マジで美味しい。I only have 2 more left. あと2個。More spicy. I'm done with my sauce. That was my last karage. 最後の唐揚げですわ。うまい。Okay, that was really good. 全部食べました。ごちそうさまでした。It was really good. 腹いっぱいだわ。I ate so much. I'm full. 腹いっぱいだわ。マジで。めっちゃ食ったわ。So I got 12 karages with a sengiri, cabbage sliced up, and rice. Really good. I made it spicy and I was with the ponzu and mayonnaise. Really good. あとポン酢ね。あと一味で辛くしてポン酢マヨネーズも美味しくいただきました。So I ate so much. I need to burn all of this. 食べたわ。So that was really a big serving. もう本当にでかいね。でか盛りだったわ。特盛りだったわ。多いな。やべえな。太るわ。So I would just like to give a quick desktop research. So you might have seen on my other videos, but SUTADON. This is SUTADON's website. SUTADON. If you find this, the Stamina Don. News. Wow, hormone. See, they've got big servings. I got the Densetsu noすたみな唐揚げ. It's really great. This. Yeah, that was really a great meal. I just need to take a rest. Stamina has really big servings. Not only karage, you have also something like a gyudon. It's really great. Affordable, big menus. You should definitely try it. So everyone, I think I got a good rest. I ate so much. I'll just end the day with the workout. Let's burn fast. So I think that was a good workout. To wrap up today, I got lots of karage. Densetsu no Sutadon, place that you could have big serving of karage and different kinds of Japanese food. It's really great. 今日はね、伝説のスタ丼の伝説スタミナ唐揚げを超鬼盛りを食べました。唐揚げ12、13個、12個多分入ってた。めっちゃ食べたわ。I really ate a lot. I just remembered late nights working in the past. 自分が鬼働いてた時のことを思い出しました。まあ楽しかったですけど。It's really fun though. So thank you for watching. I do a lot of food reviews videos right now. I like talking about Japan, Philippines, and workout fitness. So if you like it, give me a like button. Give me some comments on what I can do better next. Don't forget to subscribe. I also do Twitter and Instagram. 皆さんご視聴いただきありがとうございました。今ね、フードレビュー、食レポがメインとなっておりますけども、特に日本食の今後も日本、フィリピン、フィットネスなどについても話していきますので、ぜひ高評価、コメント、チャンネル登録等よろしくお願いいたします。I would like to make this channel big with all you guys. 皆さんのね、力をお借りして大きくしていきたいと思いますので、よろしくお願いします。So, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.